Hi, dear students. Hope you all are keeping fine. Be safe and stay home. So, dear students, today we are continuing our Adobe PageMaker 7.0, our second lesson. And today's topic is threading text. What do you mean by threading text? What do you mean by a thread? The process of connecting text among text blocks is called threading text. Last day we saw what is a text block. So text block is nothing but when I click the pointer, you can see this is a text block. So this arrow mark, the border margin, it's just like a picture. You can move it wherever you want. This piece of text is known as what? Text block. So threading text is nothing but, so I told you last day how to create text blocks. So now we have two text blocks here, 1 and 2. So there is a particular link between these two text blocks because the continuation of the same text is in the second block. The continuation of the first block is there in the second block. So the process of connecting text among text blocks is called threading text. In such a way, when there are more number of threaded blocks, it is called as a story. When there are more number of threaded blocks, it is called as story. We can see in the newspapers uh, some part of the some incidents are in the front page, in second page, in third page, or in the fifth page. Sometimes the remaining may be given in the last page. So such a flow of text with more number of text which are threaded or which are connected together, such blocks, text blocks, are known as story. When there are more number of text blocks connected together, it is called as a story. So last day we learned about a fully loaded text icon. So what can we do when we get a fully loaded text icon? So there are three options what we can take, or three actions what we can take. One is to cancel a text icon. Click the pointer tool in the text box, in the toolbox. No text is deleted. So if you want to ignore a fully loaded text icon, you need not click any other icons or any other buttons. Just have to click the pointer tool in the toolbox. What is a threaded text block? Or how can we identify a threaded text block? A threaded text block can be identified by a plus sign in its top or bottom handle. So we'll just check whether there is a plus sign in the bottom or in the top. So we can see, right? So there's a plus sign here in the handle, and here there is a plus sign in the top handle. So that means these two blocks are threaded blocks. There is a link between these two text blocks. If it is not a threaded text box, if you want to unthread this, just what we have to do is we have to cut it and we have to paste it again. Okay, so now we can see that there is no plus sign either in the top or bottom handles, of both the text blocks. So now these blocks are not threaded, or there is no link between these two text blocks. Next we are going to see what is a frame tool. So here we have a different frame tool like rectangle frame tool, uh, ellipse frame tool, polygon frame tool. Okay, what is the purpose of these tools? So we'll just take one of the frame tool. So for example, I have taken a circle ellipse frame tool. So when we place the ellipse frame tool, you can see a cross mark in the center. When we place a ellipse tool, we cannot find that. So this is the difference between a frame tool and a normal ellipse tool. So what is the use of these frame tool, or what is the use of this frame tools, either the rectangle frame tool or ellipse frame tool? Used to insert some images or insert some text into the frame tools. If you want to insert some text into this, you can insert it. It is a placeholder to hold some text. So how to hold it? So how to insert some text is that first you have to draw or take the tool, draw it here and let it be selected. Let it be selected. So after selecting the frame tool, just go to file, place. Just move to file, place. When you click file, place, you will be getting the place dialog box. You will be getting place dialog box. Select the file which you are in need to insert into the frame tool and click the open button. So after selecting the file place dialog box, select the file which you need to insert into the frame tool. When you click the frame tool, you can see the text inserted into the frame tool. Okay, so for inserting the text into the frame tool, we have to first select the frame tool and draw it. Let it be selected. Go to file, place, open the file which you want to import. Click OK. So the text will be appearing inside the text frame tool. Okay, so you can see here. So this is the way to insert a text into the text block. So here you can see a triangle here. So now that means the text is not completely displayed. The text is not completely displayed. So you can draw a text here and you can click here. Just place it here. So now here also you can see the red triangle. So that means the text is not fully displayed. We'll just make it big. So now you can see there is no red triangle. Yeah, there is no red triangles. Okay, so this is the way to insert text into the frame tools. So in order to attach the content, select element menu and frame option and select attach content. So the content will be attached. In order to separate it, separate the content from the frame tool, go to element, frame and separate content. In the previous topic, what we discussed was how to import or how to place a text which is not in the same document. Suppose you have typed some text in your document and you have to place that into the frame tool. So let us see how to place it. So in order to place it, first draw a frame tool and type some text and select both the frame and the text. Select both the frame and the text. You can hold the shift key to select both the text and frame tool. After selecting both text and frame tool, just go to element menu and select frame option, and in that select content option, attach content. So now our content is attached with the frame tool. Okay, so once again we'll just see how to attach it. So now we have separate contents. So both select the contents and the frame tool and go to element, frame, attach content. Element, frame and attach content. So now the text will be attached with the frame tool. Element, frame, separate. So the text will be separated. So selected element, frame, attach content. So once again, how to attach the text with the frame tool. Select both text and frame, go to elements, frame, attach content. The element and the frame is attached. Same to separate it, element, frame, separate content. The text and the frame is separated. Hope you all understood how to attach the text with the frame tool and separate the text from the frame tool. So dear students, I am winding up the class, and today's questions are here. Read the text, see the video and answer those questions. Thank you.